In the year 1687, a single book transformed science forever. Its title was Philosophiæ Naturalis Principia Mathematica. Most people simply call it the Principia. Its author was Sir Isaac Newton. This work laid the foundation of classical physics and changed how we understand the universe. But Isaac Newton did not originally plan to publish his ideas. After his discoveries during the Plague Years, he became intensely private. For nearly 20 years, he refined his theories in silence. That changed when the astronomer Edmond Halley asked a question. What kind of force keeps the planets in orbit? Newton's answer was astonishing. The same force that pulls apples to the ground also governs the motion of the moon and planets. Gravity, he explained, works across distance. It follows an inverse square law, meaning the force becomes weaker as the distance increases. Halley was impressed and encouraged Newton to publish. He even paid for the printing himself. In just 18 months, Newton wrote one of the most important scientific books in history. In the Principia, he introduced his 3 laws of motion. First, an object remains at rest or in motion unless acted on by a force. Second, force equals mass times acceleration. Third, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. These principles, along with Newton's universal law of gravitation, formed the basis of modern mechanics. The Principia did not simply describe the world. It explained why things move and allowed scientists to make accurate predictions. Newton could calculate planetary orbits, tidal patterns, and even the paths of cannonballs. For the first time, the same laws applied to both the Earth and the heavens. The book was written in Latin and used geometric proofs. It was difficult to read, but among scientists, it became a masterpiece. Albert Einstein later called it, quote, perhaps the greatest intellectual achievement of all time. The publication of the Principia made Newton famous. He was knighted in 1705 and became president of the Royal Society. His influence on science lasted for centuries. However, the book also caused controversy. Newton's claims about mathematics led to a dispute with the German philosopher Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. They argued over who invented calculus. The debate divided the scientific world. Still, the impact of the Principia is clear. Newton showed that the universe is governed by laws that can be written in mathematical form. It was a revolution in thought, one that continues to shape science today. If you would like to learn more about the life of Isaac Newton, consider reading the book A Short Biography of the Scientist Sir Isaac Newton. It is part of the 30-minute book series by Doug West, available on Amazon. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more stories of science and mathematics.